Hyderabad, a city in Sindh, Pakistan, is a place of ancient stories and vibrant culture. Nestled along the banks of the Indus River, this city has been a witness to the ebb and flow of history, shaping and being shaped by the events that have transpired over centuries. The city's origins can be traced back to the Kalhora dynasty, which founded it in 1782. Over the years, Hyderabad has evolved, absorbing influences from various rulers and cultures, each leaving an indelible mark on its landscape and heritage. The cultural fabric of Hyderabad is rich and diverse, woven with threads of tradition, art and community. Festivals here are a vibrant display of local customs, where traditional dance performances and music bring the streets to life. These celebrations are not just events. They are a testament to the enduring spirit of the people, a reflection of their collective identity and pride in their heritage. The architecture of Hyderabad stands as a testament to centuries of history. Walking through the city, one can see the remnants of its glorious past in the form of ancient buildings and monuments. These structures, with their intricate designs and historical significance, tell the story of a city that has been a melting pot of cultures and influences. Founded in 1782 by the Kalhora dynasty, Hyderabad's early years were marked by the establishment of significant architectural and cultural landmarks. The Kalhora rulers were known for their patronage of the arts and architecture, and their legacy can still be seen in the city's historical monuments. It later became a prominent center under the Talpur rule. The Talpurs, who succeeded the Kalhoras, continued to develop the city, adding their own unique architectural styles and cultural practices. The Talpur era was a time of prosperity and growth for Hyderabad, further enriching its historical and cultural landscape. Today, Hyderabad hums with the energy of its people and the echoes of its past. The bustling markets, where vendors sell everything from traditional handicrafts to modern goods, are a microcosm of the city's dynamic spirit. The streets are alive with the sounds of daily life, a blend of the old and the new, where history and modernity coexist in harmony. This city invites you to explore its winding streets, bustling bazaars and architectural gems. Each corner of Hyderabad has a story to tell, from the narrow alleys that lead to hidden historical sites to the grand bazaars that have been the heart of commerce for centuries. The city's layout itself is a journey through time, offering glimpses into its rich and varied past. Hyderabad's history is etched into its walls, waiting to be discovered. The inscriptions and carvings on ancient buildings are like pages of a history book, each one revealing a chapter of the city's story. These historical artifacts are not just remnants of the past, they are a living part of the city's identity, connecting the present with the bygone eras. From its majestic forts to its ancient tombs, Hyderabad is a city where history is ever present. The forts, standing tall and proud, are symbols of the city's strategic importance and its role in regional politics over the centuries. The ancient tombs, with their serene beauty, are reminders of the individuals who shaped the city's destiny. Every corner whispers tales of bygone eras. As you walk through Hyderabad, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the stories of kings and commoners, of battles and celebrations, of a city that has seen it all. Hyderabad is not just a place, it is an experience, a journey through time that invites you to discover its many layers and to become a part of its ongoing story. The Indus River flows near Hyderabad, a powerful force of nature. This majestic river has been the lifeblood of the region for centuries, carving its way through the landscape and providing essential resources to the people who live along its banks. The river's journey is a testament to the enduring relationship between nature and humanity. The river is a source of life for the region. Its waters irrigate the lush green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see, ensuring that crops thrive and the local ecosystem flourishes. The river's bounty supports a diverse array of plant and animal life, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment. Its waters nourish the land, supporting agriculture and sustaining communities. Farmers rely on the river to water their crops, which in turn feed the population and drive the local economy. The fertile soil along the riverbanks is perfect for growing a variety of crops, from rice and wheat to fruits and vegetables. The Indus has shaped the landscape and the lives of the people. Over millennia, the river has carved out valleys and created fertile plains, transforming the region into a rich agricultural hub. Traditional villages dot the riverbanks, their cultures and traditions deeply influenced by the river's presence. Fishermen cast their nets into its waters, providing sustenance for families. The river teems with fish, offering a reliable source of food and income for the local communities. Fishing is not just a livelihood, but a way of life, passed down through generations. The river's presence is deeply intertwined with the city's identity. It is more than just a physical feature, it is a cultural lifeline. that has shaped the history, traditions and daily lives of the people of Hyderabad. The river is celebrated in local festivals, songs and stories, a constant reminder of the natural world that sustains the city. Hyderabad experiences a semi-arid climate. Hot summers and mild winters define the year. The sun, a constant companion, dictates the rhythm of life. People adapt to the heat. They seek shade under the trees. They wear light clothing. Life in Hyderabad continues even under the scorching sun. The tombs of the Talpurs stand as a testament to Hyderabad's rich past. These magnificent structures are architectural marvels. They showcase intricate craftsmanship and grandeur. The tombs are a reminder of the Talpur dynasty's influence. They are a significant historical site. Visitors come from far and wide to admire their beauty. Not far from Hyderabad lies Ranikot Fort, often called the Great Wall of Sindh. Its massive walls sprawl across the landscape, a testament to a bygone era. This fort is a symbol of strength and resilience. Exploring its ramparts and gates is like stepping back in time. Ranikot Fort is a must-visit for history enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Section 6, Nature's Resilience, Flora and Fauna of Hyderabad. Despite its semi-arid environment, Hyderabad is home to a surprising array of flora and fauna. The city, known for its rich history and bustling urban life, also boasts a unique natural heritage that often goes unnoticed. The semi-arid climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, creates a challenging environment for both plants and animals. Yet nature's resilience is evident in the diverse species that have adapted to thrive here. The land is resilient, life finds a way to thrive. The flora of Hyderabad includes a variety of drought-resistant plants that have evolved to survive with minimal water. These plants not only add to the greenery, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Among them, the neem tree stands out, known for its medicinal properties and ability to grow in harsh conditions. The banyan tree, with its extensive root system, provides shade and shelter to many species. Plants like the hardy acacia and the drought-resistant babool dot the landscape. These trees are well adapted to the arid conditions, with deep root systems that tap into underground water sources. The acacia, with its thorny branches, provides a habitat for various birds and insects. The babool, on the other hand, is known for its resilience and ability to thrive in poor soil conditions. Together, these plants form a vital part of Hyderabad's ecosystem. Animals such as the chinkara gazelle and the desert fox have adapted to survive in this challenging environment. The chinkara, also known as the Indian gazelle, is a graceful creature that can go without water for long periods, deriving moisture from the plants it eats. The desert fox, with its keen senses and agile movements, is a master of survival in the arid landscape. These animals, along with many others, contribute to the rich biodiversity of Hyderabad, making it a unique blend of urban and natural life. Section 7, Preserving the Wild Wildlife Sanctuaries near Hyderabad. Efforts are underway to protect the region's natural heritage. Wildlife sanctuaries near Hyderabad provide refuge for endangered species. These sanctuaries are crucial for conservation. They offer a glimpse into the delicate balance of nature. Visiting these sanctuaries is a chance to witness the beauty of Sindh's wildlife. Section 8, The City of Beggars, Fact or Fiction. Hyderabad was once known as the City of Beggars due to a large number of beggars. However, this is a misnomer. The city is striving for progress. Efforts are being made to address poverty and improve the lives of all residents. Hyderabad's story is one of resilience and hope. Section 9, Hyderabad, where history meets nature. Hyderabad is a city where the past and present coexist. Its rich history, vibrant culture and natural beauty create a unique tapestry. From the banks of the Indus River to the ancient tombs and the resilient wildlife, Hyderabad offers a journey of discovery. It's a city that stays with you long after you've said goodbye.